So, in this short video session, we will look at the vocabulary that we use for numbers in English. We'll learn how to talk or say decimal numbers and fractions. A decimal number looks like this, and a fraction looks like this. How do we say decimal numbers in English? In British English, we say this number as 0.5 or 0.5. The international way is to say 0.5. I would advise that you learn to say the international word 0. Be careful. Some languages write 0 or 0,5, but in English we have a decimal point and you must say 0.5 or 0.5. 0 or 0.5 as a fraction is 1/2. So although you see 1 over a 2, we say 1/2 or a half. I'll give you more about fractions a little later. There are 4 ways that we can use numbers in English, and the 4 ways are addition, and there's the symbol for addition, subtraction, the symbol for subtraction, multiplication, 2 syllables for multiplication, there's the X, and there's the computer symbol, which is a star or an asterisk. Division also has 2 symbols, the division bar and the computerized slash. But be careful in fractions, the slash represents a fraction. So let's look at each of these. With addition, we use the words plus or add. An example, 0.5 or 0.5 plus 1.25 is 1.75. In subtraction, we use the word minus. An example, 1.75 minus 0.5 or 0.5 is 1.25. Now, instead of saying is in mathematical terms, we use the mathematical word equals, and the 2 bar lines are the symbol for equals. An example, 0 or 0.5 plus 1.25 equals 1.75. And also 1.75 minus 0 or 0.5 equals 1.25. In multiplication, we say times or multiplied by. An example, 0.5 times 0.5 equals 0.25. We can also say 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 equals 0.25. We can use this with full numbers also. For example, 5 times 5 equals 25, or 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. Division. We use the words divided by in division. An example, 1.5 divided by 0.5 equals 3, or 5 divided by 2.5 equals 2. So now let's have a look at how we say fractions. We will look at some commonly used fractions in engineering. So we have a half, a third, a quarter, an eighth, a 16th, a 32nd, a 64th. We could have, for example, 2/3 as a fraction, and 2/3 equals 0.66 as a decimal. How? Well, 1/3 times or multiplied by 2 equals 2/3. 1/3 we know equals 0.33. So 0.33 times or multiplied by 2 equals 0.66. Remember, a quarter is the same as or equals 0.25. 2 quarters equals 1/2, and 1/2 equals 0.5. And 3 quarters equals 0.75. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you with your vocabulary. And if you would like some speaking exercises to help you with the fractions and decimals, then sign up to my engineering vocabulary course for beginners.